If your Jeep's rear camera is a black screen, you're not alone. It's fixable and I'll show you how. Let's get started. First, let's check the basics. Make sure your Jeep is in park and the ignition is on. Now look at your infotainment screen. If it's black or says camera unavailable, don't panic. Step 1. Check the rear camera lens. Dirt or mud can block the view, so wipe it clean with a soft cloth. Still not working? Let's move on. Step 2. Check the camera wiring. Open the rear door and look for any loose or damaged wires near the camera. If something's unplugged, gently reconnect it. If you see damage, you might need a visit to the dealer. Still no luck? Time for step 3. Try resetting your Jeep's infotainment system. Hold down the power button for about 10 seconds until the screen shuts off and restarts. Sometimes a simple reboot fixes camera glitches. If you're still stuck with no rear view, it could be a blown fuse or a bigger electrical issue. Check your owner's manual for the fuse location or let a professional handle it. So remember, clean the lens, check the wires, and reset the system. Most camera issues are easy to fix, and if not, help is just a call away. Drive safe and enjoy clear views every time you shift to reverse.